Go Sports Cards here. We're doing a break of 2023-24 Top Safe Women's Champions League Sapphire here. This is a 5-box break. Second half of this case. Good luck. PYT number 4. I'll look after the break and see when these cases are coming in. Give you all a heads up. We got Queens, Guigliano. Variation. Laura Fragang. That's going to Adam. Gold to 50. Naomi Feller. There's Real Madrid others. That is going to Warren. Gold auto. Corventina. 15 of 50. That is going to Josh. That's Josh M. Gold auto. We got Renard. An orange. To 25. Corventina. 21 of 25. That's going to Josh M. All right, now it's a 1-card list. Corventina stacking. How about a black refractor? Good luck. How about a Botley? 10 of 10. That's a nice one. That is going to Barca others. Deidre. Nice one there. I don't know if they can keep this up. That is nuts. Unless they got less cases in general. And that is a ton of short prints they're getting in one case. I mean, there's got to be probably like, what, a couple hundred of these cases? That's it? All right. Box 2. Where's the reds? Which one? We got Queens, Bon Mati, Lily. We got Von Gool with a variation. Ajax. That's going to Adam. Gold to 50. Carlota. Wamser. 50 of 50. That's going to Adam. Otto. Caicedo. Nice one there. Real Madrid. That is going to Darren. Nice one, Darren. We got Harder. So we got an orange. And backwards, we'll do the gold. To 50, nice. Bon Mati. 42 of 50. Nice one there. Josh. And the orange. To 25. Linda Dahlman. 23 of 25 for Bayern. Bayern others. That's Christine. Box 3. We got Chu for Rosengard. Variation of Clara Mateo for Paris. That is going to Jeff. Gold to 50. New skin, 16 of 50 for Chelsea others. That's going to Deidre. Otto. How about a Dragoni for Barca? That is going to Darren. We got Lauren James. There's a black refractor. Another 2 black refractors. Absolutely insane. Not a rookie. Good luck. 8 of 10. How about a Lindsey Huron variation black refractor? Nice. Who's got the Lindsey on this one? Jeff. There you go, Jeff. I don't know if he's still up. Nice one, Jeff. And the other. Not a rookie. 6 of 10. Wow, you gotta be kidding me. Bon Mati. Wow. 6 of 10. You got the twin. Now you got the auto and the non-auto now. That's sick. More crumbs. Oh, wow. Same case, too. Same case. That's nuts. Box 4. Oh, before I sign off, Sam, I'll get you that total, too, for the insurance. I'll do that before we sign off. Ooh, nice one there. How about a Caicedo Infinite? Forgot about those. That is going to Darren. Nice one there on the case hit. Queens, Lily. We got variation of Corbin Albert, PSG. PSG Albert is Eddie. Golds /50, Sydney Lohman. Bayern, that is going to Christine. Auto. How about a Corbin Albert? Nice. PSG. That's going to Eddie. Queens, Kira Walsh. We got an orange. The 25, Proskanar. It's going to Adam, 14 of 25. And a gold to 50, Lauren James. Chelsea James is Cliff, 6 of 50. Last box. Good luck. Good luck, good luck. You're in this one? You're not even in this one. Oh, you're in the last one. Oh. I get it. All right, good luck. We got a rookie. Fry Gang. Variation of Caicedo. That's going to Darren. Got the trifecta. Variation, infinite, and auto. Just add in there. Caicedo stack. Gold. Nice. How about a Kafaji? 34.50 gold. That is going to Grant. Nice one, Grant. I'm not Justin. Orange. Auto. Nice. How about a Selma? 21 of 25. That is going to Stanley. That's nice. That's Stanley. '21 of 25 orange. Katoto, we got another orange here. Good luck. 6 of 25. Laura Frygang. That is going to Adam. 6 of 25. And our last hit here, Black Refractor. It is not a rookie. Good luck. 9 of 10. Naeem Charles for Chelsea. 9 of 10. Chelsea others is Deidre. That was last hit. All case. 2 reds on this case. So I guess if you're not getting one of ones, you're getting reds. We'll see what the next cases have in store. That's all as a hit today. Video froze? I'll show you. I'm not sure what you guys missed then. So let's do the recap. We got the Puteus, Proskanar, Lauren James, Corbin Albert, Lily, Corbin Albert, Puteus, Dragoni, Mateo, Bonmati, Freigang, Bonmati, Lily, and Von Gogh. Couple more oranges in the back here. We have the Salma Auto, 21 of 25. Dahlman to 25. Corventina and Freigang. Some golds. Kafaji, Bonmati, Wamser, Feller, Newskin, Lohman. Gold autograph of Corventina, 15 of 50. The Caicedo trifecta. Variation, Infinite, and an auto. And the black refractors. Charles, Botley, 10 of 10. The Lindsay, that was 8 of 10. And another nice one here. Same case as the auto. Bonmati. That is sick. Appreciate everybody. All right.